What is up, guys? This is Windows 5 coming at you, and I'm gonna open up some Jumbo Premium Gold Packs. Some about three, probably three. So I'm gonna open my first one right now. Alright, let's see who we get, guys. Alright, whew. Alright, ooh, okay, Vidal, I think that's how you pronounce it, Vidal, probably, that's how you probably say it. Okay, 4-star weak foot, 3-star skill moves. See on his card, he has 79 pace, 81 dribbling, 78 shot, that's not bad, 81 defense, and 80 pass, and 83 physical. So he's a pretty good card. He should go for some on the market, probably. Let's just see his price on the market. Ooh, 40K. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, that's pretty good right there. Alright, so I'm gonna send. Okay. Alright, let's see who else. It's not bad packs. That's actually pretty good packs. See? I got some contracts too. A ton of contracts. And some. Ooh, a kit, 2 kits, and three kits. And no wait, once. Okay, so how I'm gonna send all these to my club. Alright, pack number 2 should be good. Alright, guys, please be good, EA. Be good to me, EA. Hey, come on, EA. Oh, jeez, I'm so nervous. Alright, come on. Ooh, okay. Let's see. See, I got Evans. I got Dos Santos. No, just Stalker. I don't know. Okay, that guy's actually pretty good. And I got. Ooh, he's actually pretty good. I've heard a lot about him. He's supposed to be in 4-star weak foot, a sweet left back. As you can see, has 86 pace, 82 dribbling, and 70 shot. Has 79 defense, has 81 passing, and has 72 physical. That's not bad. Okay. Alright, he probably goes for some. Ah, shoot. No. I gotta go through this. I gotta send him to my called ones. Alright, let's see. Let's list and let's see his price. If he goes for a couple. Oh my gosh! So he goes for about 88K? Maybe? Wow, that is unbelievable, man. Wow, that's a very good pool, man. That's extremely good pool. Alright, send him to club. Alright, wow, that was pretty good. And then him. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's send all these to my club once I go through all of them. Alright, a couple kits. Ooh, double zero, and I got a couple duplicates. Okay, that's not bad. Alright, let's send all the club. Alright. Oh, except for this. Quick, so. Oh, demon, no. Quick sell these. Alright, so. Alright, probably my last pack, I'm not sure. Alright, last pack for the premium jumbo. The jumbo premium pack. Okay, let's see. Uh-oh. Whoa. Wait. Hold up. I've got someone good. Not sure. Okay, it's not bad. That's an okay pack. Wow, pace on that guy is filthy. Let's see him. Okay, has 4 skill moves. Had 87 pace, 81 dribble, and 70 shot, 32 defense, 73 passing, and 52 physical. Alright, so I'm gonna send all these to my club, and you know, well guys, I think we are going to open 2 more packs up. I'll be right back. With you guys, I'll be right back. What is up, guys? I'm back, and I'm gonna probably going to buy at least 2 or 3 more of these. Okay, so let's see how we do the 4th pack of this pack opening. Let's see who we get. Please be inform. Ah, oh well. That's an okay. It's okay, but the right back is pretty. It's good pace, good dribbling, and good physical. So I'm gonna see how much he goes for. He might go for a couple. I'm not sure. All right, let's see. Let's compare the price. It's okay. It's not that bad. I'll just keep him on my team. Oh, wait. Gotta go through these packs, these items once, and I got a ton of. Ooh, okay, that's not bad. Ooh, got this Turkey jersey that I might put on my team, and I'm gonna show you guys this cheap team I made of only 9K. 9K. This team has 100 chemistry, guys. I guys was saying my next video in a couple days I will put up. So I'm gonna send all these to my club now. It's like 9K team, dude. A 9K team, dude. That's pretty freaking sweet, dude. Okay. Oh, Tim Howard for the 5th pack should be good, and 5 is my favorite number. So can we get a good card? And okay, it's not bad. It's okay. It could be worse than that. Pace pretty good. I have heard that he's pretty good. So I'm gonna see his wait for it's not bad. Okay, so I'm gonna see his little list. See his compare his price. Yeah, it's bad. Alright. So I'm gonna send all these to the club as soon as I'm done going through all these guys. Going through all these, see what I got right here. Ooh, it's a ball, is nice. It's a nice badge too. Alright, so I'm gonna send all these to the club. Okay, so for our last pack. It's Hazard. So you probably want to see Hazard be in the pack. I hope he's in the pack, man. If that, oh my gosh, man, it'd be sick if he was in this pack. Okay, guys, let's see our last pack of this pack opening. 6-pack, pack number 6. Let's go. Who do we get? Ooh, okay. We get a Chelsea player. That's good. He will definitely go to my Chelsea squad. I'm trying to build up. Wow, tons of contracts. Oh my gosh, I got tons of contracts. Okay, some sweet badges. Ooh, that's a nice kit from Bowden CP. That's not bad. Okay, and so far this pack opening wasn't that bad actually. I have to admit, I got some good players, some 2 players that both go for around probably, well, in total go for about 120k, so it's not bad pack opening, guys. Okay, so in a couple days I'll give you my sweet 9k 100 chemistry team, guys. Okay, so don't mess out, guys. On that, peace.